everyone, I'm Stevie with Griot's Garage, and today we're going to talk about all things engine detailing. The wow factor is important when it comes to engines. You want to be greeted by oohs and ahs when you raise that hood at a show or at home among friends and neighbors, but engines are adorned with plastic covers, hoses, different types and finishes of metal, electronics, and other sensitive areas, making engine detailing a daunting task. Don't worry though, we've got your back. There are some things to know before you break out the tools and supplies. If you're going to wash your entire vehicle, clean the engine first because overspray will make a mess of already cleaned body panels in and around the engine bay. Be aware that electronics in older cars may need to be protected to guard against moisture. And finally, remember to start with the underside of the hood so dirty water won't drop on your freshly cleaned engine. Just like washing your car, detailing your engine starts with a good rinse. A pressure washer is ideal, but a hose with a quality nozzle will do the trick. Outfit the power washer with a 25-degree head, be sure the engine is cool to the touch, and keep your wand moving to minimize water penetration. Rinse away any residual buildup and large debris like leaves and pine needles so they don't get in the way later. While the engine is still wet, spray the entire engine bay with Griot's Garage engine cleaner and allow it to dwell for 2 or 3 minutes. It gently loosens and breaks up grease, grime, and engine gunk. You can use an air foamer sudsing gun, pump up foamer, or apply it straight from the bottle. Follow up by agitating with a quality brush like our boar's hair detailing brush. It's also wise to have a smaller, more maneuverable set of detailing brushes on hand for the tight spots. Work on smaller areas first and expand from there. Other brushes, like our bendable wheel brushes and microfiber wheel wands, are also great for use in the engine bay. Now it's time to boost your cleaning power. With the engine cleaner still on the engine, spray citrus multi-surface cleaner to the dirtier areas. Spray it on thick and let the foam do its work. This cleaner uses a natural blend of natural delimonene and safely dissolves petroleum-based stains and buildup. Once the foam has worked its magic, agitate tough-to-reach areas with the Griot's Garage bendable wheel brush. Its star-shaped bristle pattern does a great job of cleaning while easily going deep into the engine bay, snaking between hoses and engine parts. Before any products dry, give the engine a final rinse with a power washer, starting at the top of the engine and working your way down. If necessary, retreat any heavily soiled areas with citrus multi-surface cleaner. An Airstream drying gun is the most efficient way to dry the engine bay. The big advantage to the Airstream is how it simulates on-the-road airflow, reducing blow-on. It also saves headaches because it thoroughly dries items that drip on other things. Overall, the drying gun cuts engine drying time by up to 75% and reduces the risk of annoying water spots. The final and most impactful step is dressing the engine. Spraying it down with engine bay dressing puts the stamp of perfection on the engine by enhancing and protecting all of its surfaces and imparting a fine finish that doesn't attract dust. I think the beauty of this product is the profound effect it has on the plastic trim. Use these techniques right and you'll be able to turn back the hands of time and end up with an engine bay that looks fresh out of the showroom. Thank you for watching. For more information on our engine detailing products, be sure to visit griotsgarage.com. And as always, have fun in your garage.